Happy Hanukkah, everyone. Today we are going to learn the dreidel song on the recorder. If you like these videos, click subscribe below. The first thing we're going to do in the dreidel song is we're going to play D. So D is with your thumb off of the back and your second finger covering the second hole on the recorder. The dreidel song, just like Jingle Bells, if you saw that previous video, is only going to use your left hand, but you still need to use your right hand at the bottom to support the recorder so it doesn't fall out of your hand. So it's going to go between D and B, D and B, and that might take a little while to get used to. So it goes like this. And that's the first part. The second part is going to go between A, and C, or C and A. So and then you just do that sequence again. Once again, the sheet music is on my website and the link for that website is below. So here it is all the way through with notes. And that is the chorus, so check back later for the verse to the dreidel song. One more time, this is what the dreidel song sounds like on recorder. Thanks guys, if you enjoyed this video, click subscribe below and check back for more videos later.